Okay, this is the part of the trail that goes to the side. We're working our way down to the pond. There used to be another boat down here, but I don't know if they took it out yet or not. We'll see when we get there. Whoop. Yeah.
I don't see that other boat. I see where it is.
You can almost see the lake through the trees. I can, but I don't know if the camera's catching it. There's an old fire pit. Uh-huh.
Big log down. Bring it down. There's a boat over there. Not at the log. You want to try and go over that log?
We can. We're going to try to lift the canoe and the cart over the log here in front of us.
Couple nice points here we don't want to run into.
Hang on. Okay. Yep.
We all right?
We are now. Wow. That was fun. Whoop, you're gonna tear the thing off on the tree. Here's the creek coming in to the lake. You can't see much from here, so. That's the creek coming in. I'll get you a picture.